We've got the Chinese diesel heater running, folks. We got the tank set up on the back door now. This one is no longer in service because that's for the big one behind that door, and it don't work no more. I might look into fixing it, I might not, I don't really care. This thing actually works pretty good for warming it up in here. So now we got a big cleanup underway. We got to get a big cleanup underway here and get tools away and clean up this horrid fucking mess. And yeah, there we go. The Harley's all finished, all put back together. Floorboards back on, pipes back on, the heat shields are back on, and everything's good to go. I just warmed it up, give it one more good heat cycle, and everything's running and sounding really good. When it is up to operating temp like where it is right now, and you snap the throttle real quick, I do get a little bit of ping. Now, obviously the fuel in it is high test. It's 91 octane, and it's from the fall. So probably, I think September was probably the last time I rode. Actually, September was the last time I rode. So it's a little bit old. And now we're in January, end of January, going into February actually. February's tomorrow. So it's a few months old, and could use some fresh gas. Now, it also needs to go and get dyno tuned, where the timing table is going to get modified. I'm sure it probably has a little too much timing in it right now, because the previous tune that was in it was just a Screaming Eagle sort of stage 1 Harley tune. It wasn't anything special, just a little more fuel and air. But that's what we got going on, and so now it needs proper dyno tuning. So that'll get sorted out then. In the meantime, it's still okay to run, as long as we're not fucking giving her. So there you go. I'll give you guys an idea. Keep in mind, like I said, it still needs tuning, so starts fine, but not perfect necessarily. Oh yeah. There you go. Wonderful. That sounds great. Sweet.